In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google account password with ease. Understanding this process is critical for ensuring your online privacy and maintaining the security of your personal information. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your current Google account credentials. This is an essential step, as accessing the right settings requires logging into the account you wish to update. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find your profile picture. Give it a click. You should see a drop-down menu appear. From that menu, go ahead and click on the option that says Manage your Google account. Now that you're in your Google account settings, focus on the left sidebar. This is your navigation hub for all account management options. Look for the tab labeled Security. Give that a click. It's time to head to the section where you can manage how you sign into your Google account. As you scroll through the security settings, look for the section labeled How You Sign into Google. Here, you'll find an option titled Password. Clicking this will initiate the process of changing your password. Google will now prompt you to verify your identity for security purposes. By asking you to re-enter your current password, Google ensures that it's truly you making these changes. Carefully type in your password and click to continue. Here comes the critical part, creating your new password. You'll find two fields waiting for you, one to create the new password and the other to confirm it. Be mindful of what you choose for your new password, as this is an important element of your account's security. You'll need to create a password that's at least 8 characters long. For greater security, it's strongly recommended to include a blend of letters, numbers, and symbols. This combination makes it more challenging for anyone to hack into your account. Take a moment to carefully enter your new password into both fields, ensuring they match. This double entry system is there to catch any typos that might inadvertently lock you out of your account. Once both fields are filled in and you're satisfied with your selection, it's time to click on the Change Password button. By doing so, you confirm and save your new password. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your Google account password, adding an extra layer of security to your online presence. Remember, regularly updating your passwords and keeping them secure is a fundamental practice for protecting your digital self. Thank you for following along, and stay tuned for more tips on maintaining your online security.